I'm Dinesh Abrol. I'm visiting faculty in Center for Studies in Science Policy at Jawaharlal Nehru University. I've been associated with the project on grassroots innovation movements, which is a collaborative project between STEPS Center and JNU and going on at the moment. The question of pathways to sustainability, which we tried addressing in this, I think has produced and thrown up a number of important learnings. That yes, there is a context in which pathways of sustainability are always constructed. But many a time the context is political economy, the vision and strategy in which the context is institutionalized or rigidified, and that particular context itself requires to be transformed. Because pathways, when you are trying to construct in alternate terms against the dominant narrative, they always also demand from you that you don't look for only the immediate context, but the kind of structural change that is required to be done, which is actually dealing with the question of transformation of context itself. That's one important learning that I think we have had throughout in this particular discussion that we have had over the last 2 days. I think the second important issue that we have learned is that in the context of South, particularly, given the fact that the kind of inequality that exists, marginalized people require not only right-based approaches but also capability-based approaches. That is the right to innovate, right to experiment, right to develop the capabilities, which does not happen, of course, without education. But education is not enough, but the right to participate in the production of knowledge means learning by doing, learning by using. All those particular possibilities involve the very fact that the grassroots innovation activity can allow them to say. And if the mainstream institution and the main processes of knowledge production can actually do that relationship, build in a manner which is democratic, and the right to innovate of the people is respected, then they can contribute. They are a tremendous resource. We have realized it through all kinds of examples which have been presented throughout the symposium, be it in agriculture, energy, water, if you see that. And I think if people would get a chance to actually listen to the recording of the presentations which were made, they would really see the significance of this particular point. And I think the last point which I would like to make in this case is that we are trying to bring well-meaning social movements, academics from both North and South together. This is a huge experience. I think the kind of discourse that has taken place over 2 days, and for that the credit goes to this very exercise which the STEPS Center initiated in collaboration with the JNU, and I hope the expectations that we have generated among the practitioners who have made this so rich, apart from the academics who participated in that, their expectation is that can we become a bridge between the people out there, whether academic, social movements of the North, as well as among the policymakers, and along with the people who work in this particular part of the world. And if that bridge is created, and I hope we will do the job.